Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the photo and zooming to 100% so you see exactly what you'll remove. Select the Spot Removal tool, Q, and decide Heal versus Clone. Heal blends texture and tone, Clone copies pixels. Set the brush size just larger than the blemish, feather around 1/2 for soft transitions, and keep opacity at 100%. Once done, click the spot. Lightroom will suggest a source. This immediate source choice lets you evaluate how Heal or Clone will affect nearby texture and color. Now refine the removal. You'll check the suggested source and drag it if the texture or lighting doesn't match. You should use multiple small spots for complex blemishes that avoids unnatural blobs and vary sizes for edges versus centers. Make sure to toggle Heal versus Clone per area. Heal is good for skin and subtle gradients, Clone for patterns or sharp edges. Once done, use the # key to compare before and after, and make additional tiny adjustments until the area reads naturally. Finish by checking the full image at viewing sizes. You may need a subtle local adjustment to match color or brightness. If you see halos or repeating patterns, undo the spot, choose a closer or rotated source, or lower feathering. Those steps fix most artifacts. Make virtual copies or use history states before major passes so you can revert. Once done, export with sharpening for the intended output and inspect the export. If a problem persists, revisit the specific spot and try Clone instead of Heal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.